guys, this is Levi and Eli, and I'm starving, and then we have nacho cheese. It's known as Doritos, and then we are gonna, let me taste one. It doesn't taste good like that. I think we need something to eat. Aha! Diving beetles. Open them. Get the flavored diving beetles to dive.
Let's see.
These are diving beetles.
Real diving beetles.
Real ones to eat. My dad bought us what kind of beetles were they?
Diving exotic beetles.
Diving exotic beetles. These are edible. That means you could eat them. Now let's try them out. What's in the leader?
Let's see. Let me zoom in. How's it taste? Good? What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
Like mealworms.
Like mealworms? Yeah? Is it good though?
And I'm gonna taste a Chinese food.
No, a diving beetle.
Diving beetle lunch with some Gatorade.
Okay. You got the Gatorade? Alright.
Gatorade.
Pull out the diving beetle.
Gatorade on it.
No, don't make it. No, bite it and then you drink the Gatorade. Come on, you got it. What is it? Oh, that pokey part? We'll eat it where the head is. You're gonna eat the leg? That's a tiny piece. Come on. Nasty? I'll give you a lollipop if you eat the whole thing.
No.
Okay, eat that leg. Eat it all.
Eat it all. No.
Eat the whole leg.
No.
It's not good?
I don't want it. It's because my brother doesn't like to eat bugs. Just the mealworms, and then tomorrow we're gonna go get the mealworms, and it's gonna be pizza. We're gonna eat pizza mixed with tamale, vegetables, and some cupcakes, and some Doritos. And plants.
And you're gonna eat it?
No, just Levi. Only eat broccoli. Bye. See you soon. Click on Levi YouTube and click subscribe. Press my video button. Click on Levi YouTube and Eli YouTube. Click both of the red subscribe buttons. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Really good.